Hello, in front of me I've got Dragon Age the Veilguard. In this video I'll show you how to heal via companions. Firstly, let's press tab button. As you can see, our health is low. Our companions have skills that can heal us. In order to use them, firstly make sure that our companions equipped those skills. Companions. Abilities can be changed during the battle. Okay, so let's firstly finish the battle. Okay, now the battle is finished. Let's go to our companion's skills. Select it and change to Replenish. Now one of our companion can heal us. Press tab button and select Replenish. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.